Hello, good morning. So my name is Rinanti Sison, your real estate salesperson from Explorer Davao Realty Company. So welcome to Laureana Grand Plains, located in Bago Oshiro, Davao City. Before ko kayo ito sa bahay na to, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more updates for my video. Welcome to Laureana Grand Plains. Laureana Grand Plains is the newest subdivision project along Levy Road, Puan, Davao City. A 13.5 hectares exclusive subdivision. Offers a residential lots and housing units. Start for the lot only at 16,000 per square meter. For the bungalow, there are 3 model units. The price start at 9.8 million. For the 2-story house, there are 2 model units, start at 17.3 million only. Just 40 minutes to downtown area of Davao City and near of the following school: UP Mindanao, Philippine Science High School, San Pedro College, Vista Mall, and Gaisano Mall of Turil. This is the 1 bungalow unit to choose at 9.8 million. So the lot area of this house is 180 square meter. One of the model unit of Laureana Grand Plains. So this is the car park. Yan. The car park will be covered. Yan. Actually, i-repaint pa po to. Laureana Grand Plains by the way is one of the exclusive subdivision in the south area of Levy Road, Puan, Davao City. One of the project of the leading developer in Davao City, the Santos Land Incorporation. Ito po yung back ng bahay. So, sobra laki na may space pa po tayo. Nandito po naka-allocate yung ating laundry area. So, anyway, if ever kung gusto mo ng napakalaking space para sa floor area mo, pwede mo naman siyang i-extend. So, ito po, may space pa po sa gilid. Kung ako, hindi ko na po siya i-extend kasi sa loob ng bahay, sobrang laki naman, sobrang lawak. Ito po yung loob ng bahay. So, sobrang lawak. So, naka-tiles na siya ng 60 by 60, plain white. Yan. So, naka-cove light ceiling na din siya. Then, ang napakaganda po sa project ni Santos Land is high ceiling po yung kanyang bahay. Sobrang ganda talaga. So one of the amenities of Laureana Grand Plains is the clubhouse. Meron din tayong open parks, meron din tayong playground, and meron din tayong multi-purpose covered court. So this area, nandito yung 3 bedroom natin at saka nakaharap yung isang toilet. So ito yung toilet and bath natin. So naka-tiles na siya ng wall up to ceiling. So ito yung toilet natin at meron din tayong hand wash lavatory. Yan. Sobrang ganda talaga yung mga pagkagawa ng bahay ni Santos Land. So ito yung bedroom or master bedroom natin. So meron tayong sariling toilet and bath dito sa loob. By the way, is upon turnover of this house is naka-built-in cabinet na po siya. So hindi pa po siya na lagay kasi ongoing pa kasi yung construction ng bahay nito. Hindi pa po siya tapos. Ito na po yung finishing ng toilet. So actually hindi pa rin po ito tapos. So may mga kulang pa po. So naka-cove ceiling na po yung side or sa gilid nito. And then naka-fence na din. Meron yung lagayan ng aircon is may naka built-in na din siya or naka fence na din po, or yon. Ito yung actually ito yung second bedroom. So napakalawak din po ng bedroom na to. Yan, ito yung pangatlong bedroom na papasukin natin. Yan. So nakaharap siya sa ating dining area or kitchen area. Ito yung third bedroom natin. Yan. Actually is pwede po tayo bank financing. So 80% bank financing, then the 20% will be the down payment of this house. If you are interested, or if you are interested of this house, our reservation will be 50,000 only. The requirements is only 2 valid ID and proof of income. So ito po, actually ang pag turnover ng bahay is naka full landscape na po. Ito po yung clubhouse natin, sobrang ganda, parang palasyo yung clubhouse. So if you are naa kay mga event like birthday, dibo, pwede nimo i-held sa ato ang clubhouse. So one of the amenities of Laureana Grand Place. So our security natin dito is 24/7 yung security system natin. So ito yung this area for our kitchen. So hindi pa siya natapos. So diyan po siya ilalagay. Ito yung master bedroom, nasa gitna ito. Advantage of this house is the ceiling will be high. So mataas po yung ceiling nito. So this is the high-end subdivision here in the south area, Laureana Grand Place subdivision.